Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday. It's 22nd of November, 2020. For today's lesson, we will have revision on Unit 6, Lessons 1 to 4. The topic would be should and shouldn't, much and many. These topics can be found on your pupil's book on pages 33, 34, 35, and 36, as well as your workbook on pages 33, 34, 35, and 37. This is Miss Marlin, and I will be with you throughout today's revision. The objectives for today's revision are: recall the vocabulary words, use much, many, should, and shouldn't in sentences, and develop student speaking and writing skills. Let us answer this. These vocabulary words were already taken up before, so let's see how well you have mastered them. Fill in the blanks, write the letter of the correct answer, choose your answer in the box. The choices are soft, bottom, toothache, toothbrush, and hard. Number 1, Jack has a blank. He should go to the dentist. The answer is C, toothache. Number 2, your toothbrush shouldn't be too blank. The answer is E, hard. Number 3, you should brush up on the blank teeth. The answer is B, bottom. Number 4, you should always use a good blank. The answer is D, toothbrush. Number 5, we should use a blank toothbrush. The answer is A, soft toothbrush. Let us read this selection once again. Read and look at the pictures. You should brush your teeth 2 or 3 times a day for 5 minutes. Here's how. Choose a good toothbrush. It shouldn't be too hard. You should change your toothbrush every 3 months. First, clean the insides of your teeth. You should move the brush gently up and down. Next, clean the outside of your teeth. You should brush down on the top teeth. You should brush up on the bottom teeth. You shouldn't brush from side to side. Sweets and sugary snacks are very bad for your teeth. You should eat fruit. And remember, you should go to a dentist twice a year. Let us check now how well you understood the reading selection. Let us answer the following. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, when should we change our toothbrush? A, every month, B, every 6 months, C, every 3 months, and D, every 12 months. The answer is C, every 3 months. Number 2, how often, what are bad for our teeth? Again, number 2, what are bad for our teeth? A, fruits, B, sweet and sugary snacks, C, milk, or D, vegetables. It's B, sweet and sugary snacks. 3, how often should we brush our teeth? A, 10 times a day, B, 2 or 3 times a day, C, 5 times a day, or D, once a day. It's B, 2 or 3 times a day. Number 4, how often should we visit a dentist? A, twice a year, B, 10 times a year, C, once a year, or D, 5 times a year. It's A, twice a year. Write true if the sentence is correct and false if the sentence is incorrect. Number 1, we should brush our teeth for 10 minutes. False. 2. We have to choose a hard toothbrush. False. 3. We have to clean the insides of our teeth first. True. 4. You should move the brush gently up and down. True. Number 5. You should eat fruits. True. And 6. You shouldn't brush from side to side. True. Let us arrange now the words to form a correct sentence. Number 1, you shouldn't eat sweets. Number 2, and scramble the words to form a correct sentence. You should always use a good toothbrush. Number 3, you should brush your teeth twice a day. Number 4, you shouldn't drink sweet drinks. Number 5, you should visit your dentist twice a year. Number 6, you should drink milk. Let us now recall the lesson on much and many. Much means a large amount of or a lot in quantity. It is used with uncountable nouns. They are uncountable nouns because they cannot be counted one by one. And it is used in negative and interrogative clauses. Let's have some examples. Do you get much chance to travel in your job? I don't have much money. There's too much noise in this class. I wish you happiness together. Notice that after the word much, such as chance, money, noise, and happiness, they are all uncountable nouns, meaning you cannot count them one by one. How about many? Many means a large number of or a lot in number. It is used with countable nouns. These are the nouns that you can count one by one. It is used in questions, affirmative sentences, and negations. Let's have some examples. John takes part in many school activities. There are too many people stuffed in his car. How many people were there at the concert? Many flowers perished in the storm. Notice that after the word many, we have nouns in plural form, like activities, people, and flowers. Circle the correct answer in the brackets. Number 1, you shouldn't eat much or many sweets. The answer is many. 2, you shouldn't eat much or many chocolate. The answer is much. 3, does Jack eat much or many sugar? Much. 4, does Becky eat much or many apples? Many. That ends our revision for today. Good luck on your exam. Hugs and kisses and lots of love. I know you'll pass. Study hard.